Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to delete your data in the Viber app. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open the Viber app on your mobile device. At the bottom of your screen, you'll see several navigation options. Go ahead and tap on More. This will take you to a menu where you can access various settings and features within the app. Once you're in the More section, look for the Settings option and tap on it. This is where you can manage all your account preferences, notifications, and privacy controls. The Settings menu is your central hub for customizing how Viber works for you. In the Settings menu, scroll through the options until you find Privacy and tap on it. This section contains all the controls related to how your personal information is handled within the app, including who can see your status, profile photo, and other sensitive data. Now, within the privacy settings, you'll see an option called Personal Data. Tap on this option to proceed. This is where Viber gives you control over the information the app has stored about you, including messages, call history, and other account details. Next, you'll see an option labeled Delete Your Data. Tap on it to continue. This feature allows you to permanently remove all the information associated with your Viber account from their servers. It's an important step if you're concerned about data privacy or planning to stop using the app altogether. After tapping that, you'll be presented with another confirmation step. Tap on Delete Data to move forward. Viber wants to make sure you're certain about this decision since deleting your data is irreversible and will remove all your chat history, media, and account information. At this point, a confirmation message will appear on your screen. This is your final chance to review your decision before the deletion process begins. The message will likely remind you that this action cannot be undone and that all your data will be permanently erased. Finally, tap Delete to confirm and complete the process. Once you do this, Viber will begin permanently removing all your data from their servers. This includes your messages, contacts, call logs, and any other personal information stored in the app. And that's it. You've successfully deleted all your data from Viber, ensuring your information is no longer stored on their servers. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.